which screw it is. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more on this base part. That you want to remove. Two in the grip. And one at the front of the magazine carrier. Flip this guy over. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. And then there's 2 at the front of the strap holder. Looks like that screw was still inside. So I believe that makes 13, and then the polymer shell just comes apart. So this ultimately is the guts of your weapon right here. There is one bolt that holds through on the bottom here. Which holds it into place. I can just... Mine was loose somehow. I had put about probably 500 rounds through this gun since I've taken it apart, so one of two things: either I didn't put it back and tighten it enough, or it just wiggled loose somehow. But that's that guy. And then there's one on the back side too, and that one is not loose, so I will need another bit for that. This guy. And you want to be real careful when using a drill, because if any of these get stripped, you're in a bad way. Alright, and that is out. So you want to remember, the longer one goes in the back, smaller one goes up front. And voila, this is the firearm. Now, my general purpose, besides making an educational video, was to clean the gun, because it hadn't been cleaned in a very long time, and I am an advocate for keeping a clean gun. So the trigger guard is held in by this bolt, which, as you see, just popped out. So, or trigger carrier, whatever this, I don't know the proper definition of it. So there's 2 pins that hold that in, and you just pop them guys out. Which is easier said than done, apparently. There we go. And then you have the these two pins I was talking about, and this should slide right out. Oh, a lot of ammunition's been fired through this guy. I think we got it. There we go. Okay, yeah, I did that completely ass backwards. There was a better way of doing that. And then that guy comes out, and you have your pin, which thank God I did not break, because I did not do that correctly. Alright, but basically this is the assemblies I'm going to clean here. Yeah, they're very, very, very dirty, as you can see. And are in need of some love. Well, that's the disassemble video. I'll probably make another one shortly of the reassembly and post that up. Thanks for watching, guys. Armed and Willing here. Have a good day.